Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another plan with me in my HOBONICHI weeks. I know last week was a reel and not an actual plan with me, just because my schedule was so up in the air in terms of work meetings and things. And plus I was so jet lagged last week. And so trying to do anything was crazy. All right, so this week I have to decide whether I want to use my spring leaves collection or my watercolor tulips. Maybe I'll save this for my cousin. I don't know. Okay, if you hear the squeaking in the background, this is the time that my husband decides to start watering in the garden. I'm in the basement, so the garden is like literally a few feet from my head, the basement window. Anyway, you know what? I'll use these. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do with this collection is actually write the dates down, or the days of the week down the side. And I'm using my TWSBI Diamond 580, and it currently has Ferris Wheel Press Dusk in Bloom. It's actually very light, but I really wanted to let myself use this. I say let myself, but force myself to use this pen this week because it's not one that I'm reaching for, unfortunately. The two together, I don't know, maybe it's just the Ferris Wheel Press ink. Maybe I can, let's see, prime the feet a little bit. Maybe that might help. There, that might help a little bit. Okay. So then let's put down one of these blues, like this big blue. Oh, I love that. So big. There we go. Oh, having an issue. Hold on. So I'm gonna put this one down. Oh my goodness. These are the first ones I cut. So I promise the ones that I actually put out in the shop are gonna be like this. I just need to adjust my machine. Oh my goodness. There we go. Sticker intact. I'll place one here, here. Then I'm gonna place one of these hexagon stickers by According to Allie Down. Oh, just had a coughing fit. And I'm going to put this one. Oh yeah, I have to adjust the cut lines on my machine. Oh, that's gonna drive me nuts. Yeah. Happens that way sometimes with silhouette machines. They're like working perfectly for how many stickers, and then suddenly it's like, oh. I might just have to print and cut these again. Hold on. All right, so I printed a new set of stickers and realized that the original ones that I had cut were on the wrong setting, which is why they were all off and not cutting properly. So all good now. All right, let's then add some florals. And let's see, look at how much better that's lifting off the paper. Oh, technology. Sometimes it's fantastic, and other times I feel just completely stupid. There we go. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna put one of these little ones here. Oh, how cute is that? And then I'm gonna put, I think, a couple of circles up at the top, like a pink one and a green one. There we go. And then maybe we can do the same one coming down. I'm gonna do it like this because I can't put anything down straight like that. There we go. Oh, I like it. Oops, I really should cover that up. Then lastly, I think I'm gonna put probably something down here. Take the, oh yeah, no, purple's the only one I haven't used yet. So let's do a purple and a green. And that one's still sticking up. And then with some washi. I will leave a link to According to Ali's shop in the description below, and you can use code Karina10 for 10% off her shop because she is just fantastic and also an amazing human being. And which one? Maybe I'll do like this just to be different. Ooh. Yeah, just to add a little something. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and then fill in my meetings for the week. So there's my overall finished spread. I really like the colors of it. I feel like they're very calming, but they also go really well with the Dusk in Bloom. I feel like this kind of, if you're not using it regularly, it kind of dries in the pen. But after priming the feed, it actually matches perfectly with the blue in the collection. All right, so these stickers will be coming out this Thursday, April 19th, and I am also part of the Planner Boss Collective sale going from, is it the 19th? No, I'm sorry, the 20th. The 20th is when these are coming out, and then the PBC sale starts on April 21st and goes until the 23rd. So keep an eye out for this, the voucher code that will go out on April 21st. Thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And once again, thank you guys so much. Have a great day.